What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm Stephen, this is Star.
Nice to meet you
he's
guys.
He's back guys, you may have seen him on a couple of videos ago.
Yes.
Also he is going to be appearing next on Sunday, so go make sure you turn the post notifications on, subscribe if you're new, like this video. But, hello doggy. But if you remember, me and Bensei were trying to sneak into a cemetery. We do have a secret video what me and Star did film earlier, which I'm not going to hint anything because it is secret. But me and Bensei came to this part of the forest over here. Okay, you did not see this part, but over there is the crackhead's place. Okay, that's where we saw the lawnmower in the sky. But it has changed, and we went there about 3 days ago. And in the course of 3 days, come on Star, you can have a look at this. It has changed so much. Now, how this has changed, I don't know. I don't know if people knew we came here, because I still haven't released that video by the time I'm filming this. But if you look at it,
there's a mattress there.
Yeah, I said there's a table there now. There's another chair. Oh, there's a table in the tree. Guys, that is the one which I trapped my foot in. The trolley's in the tree now. Chairs all around here. Table.
What does it say?
Ho.
Hey, hold on.
Angel.
Hold on.
Angel.
Yeah.
Okay, so me and Star filmed a video earlier, and basically some stuff happened at the end of the video with angels, and if you clearly see, that says angel. You can't see it on the camera, but that says angel, which is creepy. But I don't know, I said this in the other video, I edited this out in the other video, but this could be some sort of ritual. This isn't going to be the main video, by the way. I just thought I'll come back here. They've burnt the light. The light's been burnt. The bulb's gone in there. The lawnmower is still in the tree, but that's the table which... Oh my god. There's the lawnmower. So guys, we are going to go into another part. We're going into the school forest now. We're going to actually sneak in now. Okay, that's the video for today. It's going to be a lit one. But yeah, this is the crackhead's place, and it's creepy. They've added a lot of stuff. Right guys, me and Star are in this forest.
Hello everyone!
Last time we came here an alarm went off. I don't think he knows that. But yeah, that's in the video which came out Sunday. Shall we just go? Alarm goes off, that's alright. Huh?
How do people do that?
I don't know, that's what me and Bensei were talking about when we came here at night. But that alarm came off again, which is alright, we're going to explore it. Okay, hello alarm. Okay, yesterday I put out my Snapchat story that the police come after me and my friends. The reason for that was because some little children thought it would be funny to go into the park and set things on fire. Then they put it in the bin and then they left. We went in, like me and my friends, we were chilling at the under a tree, nowhere near the park, but we saw them. But the police came, and we were in the park at the time when the police came, and then they were telling us to get out because they thought we did it. And some old people saw one of my friends do it apparently because he had a green jumper on, and they thought it was him. So, you know, that's what happened yesterday. Some other stuff happened also in McDonald's yesterday. We went there, we've been told by a worker to f*** off. Now, I'm going to complain there soon, but as you've seen, oh my god, the tennis court's open. Oh no, they're not. Well, I don't know, there might be. I see a gate open, I don't know if it's open or not. Now I don't know if this gate is going to be open or not down there, but I just want to see. Down there. For fun.
For fun, okay.
Yeah. Nothing serious on this channel, mate.
There's a gate here.
Yeah, should be. Yeah. It's open. The gate is open, guys. It's broken. That gate's open as well. We can sneak into the abandoned golf course. Golf course.
There's people over there.
I know there is.
They wouldn't care, would they?
I don't know. Oh, we can go in and out. Let's just say, let's just step foot in there, shall we?
Well, what do I do with my bike?
Just leave it here,
Yeah.
because no one's going to come down here, are they?
Don't know.
No one will.
No.
Yeah. Step in. We're going to step in and out of that abandoned thingy. Tennis court.
That's tennis court.
Yeah. I've always wanted to go in there.
They have it been there.
I've never been there because those gates have always been locked.
Oh, please, this one.
Yeah. So, Star's going to go first. Hide, quickly. Right guys, we're in here. Yeah. We've got to whisper because they're over there. Okay. But we're literally in the abandoned golf. I keep on saying golf for some reason. We're in the abandoned tennis courts. They're literally over there. And yeah, that is a school field which we've just been on. I need you guys to go make sure you go and like and subscribe, turn the post notifications on, because we are risking everything here, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
But as you can see, we're in the part of the abandoned golf course.
Is that actually stuff in it?
Yeah. See, part of the ground there. It's abandoned. It's amazing.
Yeah.
The alarm did go off, so we should probably leave, but
Did it?
the alarm up there.
That's the alarm.
Yeah. It went off when me and Bense were there. What? That's what I said, there was an alarm. I said that to you. I think I even have a video record. But anyway, we're here now. That's what I wanted to do. Bense was too much of a pussy to come in here.
Okay, let's go. Right, anyone else?
My camera's about to die, so we're going to quickly run out of here. Do the ending, then we're going to probably chill.
Okay, so did you get out of there?
Right guys, we have to go. They've spotted us. Go, 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 go. Okay guys, so I'm going to end this video here. By the way, that stuff with the angel stuff which we saw on that table, and we saw the word angel on a tree, which is basically over there, that will all be explained in Sunday's video. So you're going to see this video on Wednesday, 7 PM UK time. The video which is all about the angel thing, which the video we just filmed before this video, that's going to be out on Sunday, 7 PM UK time. I'm going to be trying to do 2 uploads every week now. Then it's going to be leading to that week where I'm going to do daily videos for a week. And yeah, but that tree over there said angel on it. That one straight over there. So I need you guys to go make sure, go and like and subscribe, turn the post notifications on. We did have to run out of that forest.
Yeah.
And I'm a bit sweaty, so is he. And we're just going to chill now. What should they do?
They should subscribe to this channel
Yeah.
and turn on their notifications. Right?
Yes.
Let's do this.
Boom. And make sure you give this video a like. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And we'll see you, us two, we will actually see you on Sunday.
Yeah.
At 7 PM UK time. So make sure you be there. And yeah, comment something down below in this video because I want to know. I just want to read through them on a Sunday evening. just to have a bit of fun. But I'll probably be editing for another video for you. So, that's enough of us. We'll see you on Sunday. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day, whatever time you're watching this. Just enjoy your life. Goodbye!